handsome, bold. This Perrelet Seacraft is in classic black and stainless steel, but the orange minute and second markers keep it modern and fresh. A window conveniently gives you the day of the month. This is made for the sea. It's water resistant up to 777 meters deep and also comes with a diver's strap that fits up to an 8¼ inch wrist. Owners of this model rave about the stainless steel strap and how it balances well with the case. The Perrelet Swiss watchmaker dynasty began in 1777 and today puts their elegant seal on the clasp of this Seacraft, a handmade timepiece to wear proudly on a daily basis or when out on the waters.
"300 watches, infinite possibilities."